Hello everyone, this is Mr. Peak, and this is just a quick tutorial on how to use your tabs and snap them to fill half of the screen each side. So to start with, you want to click on the tab that you want to fill one half of the screen. So in this case, it's the Python tutorials. So click and drag the tab that contains those, and then let go. This should now fill the screen. Up top, you should see this large sort of grey, blackish bar. Anywhere within this area, click. This should allow you to move around the tab or the work area, and then move that to the far left hand side of your screen until your cursor hits the far left hand side. This should create a sort of hollow white box. If you let go now, that will fill that half of the screen. Then we can click another tab that we've got open to fill the other half, which in this case will be Create with Code. Okay, thanks for watching.